Hi guys, today I'll be doing a hair supply video and it's just what I'm using in my hair because I'm natural and I know a lot of people need things to put in their hair because they're not really sure how to deal with natural hair. So that's what I will be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing I have is a paddle brush. Well, it's a wave brush and it's double-sided and it helps get the back of my hair up and just basically everything around my hair. It just helps brush it up and it helps keep it up to where it's supposed to be. Next thing I have is this brush. This brush is a brush that helps to get through my hair when I need to put it up and everything, and it helps a lot too. It doesn't pull out my hair and it's good for my hair. I love this brush. Next thing I have are these clasp-free rubber bands. It came with 15 in the pack, but of course I lost half the pack because who doesn't lose all of their rubber bands right after they buy them? So I just like using these because your hair can't really get stuck in the little clasps. It's just kind of glued up there. Can you guys see that? It's just glued up there and they're really nice. They're tight, but they stretch out. I also use jumbo rubber bands so when I put my hair up in full buns, just because that's what helps me get all of my hair up. But I use these when I'm doing a half bun or 2 buns on the side, anything small. Next thing, I have this curl shape Garnier Fructis style, and it's a spray defining gel. So it's not your traditional gel that comes in a little bottle or the jar, and then you have to dig it out. That's just inconvenient for me, so I decided to get this kind, and it's just a spray gel, and it helps with everything. It helps a lot. It's good with defining your curls like it's supposed to do. Another thing, one of my favorites is this argan oil from Morocco, and it's just the strength and shine leave-in conditioner, and it just really makes your hair shine. It makes your hair healthier because it makes it stronger, and you just shake it up to activate, and then you just spray all over your hair. I can do this at any time just because it's leave-in. You don't have to wash it out or anything, and it's really nice, so I love using this. Another hair thing that I use is this oil moisturizer from Blue Duchess, and it's just like a hair lotion conditioner, and this is also leave-in, so it helps moisturize my hair so I don't have to use like a heavy hair moisturizer, and my hair is just not building up when I put these products in. So that's something that you guys should look into because this is really good too. I love this stuff. It's easy to put in. It doesn't leave your hair sticky. The next thing I use is this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, and it's moisturizing curl activator cream. This is what really helps bring out my curls. Like if it's dry like this, then I could spray some of this on here first to make it a little damp, and then of course I spray the shine in there before this just so it can make it even more wet. Then I just put this on here. I just put some in my hair. I take a handful, I rub it together and I just wipe it through my hair, and then I always scrunch it up, and then the curls come out beautifully, and it's just excellent. Next thing is this pomade from Cantu also. This pomade is really nice. Like, I can't explain to you how much I love this stuff, even though it is in a jar and it's hard for me to get because I get my nails done, that's a choice of mine. But this is how it looks. You guys see that? Okay, this is how it looks, and it's just white, and it smells really good, and it doesn't come off as white or anything. It's clear when you put it in your hair, and it just helps to, if you wanted to keep your style together, that's what the pomade does. It's beautiful for your hair, so you guys should go buy some of that because it's Cantu, it's pomade, and it helps. I love this stuff. One of the last things I use is the Mizani Miracle Milk, and this stuff is just good for also like strengthening your hair and everything, and it just makes it prettier, it makes it pop more. It's really good. So this is the Mizani milk. that's what that is. It's worth how much it costs and everything. My last but not least by any means is this hairspray by Mizani also, and it's the Shine version. And this is really good for my hair too. This is more good for my hair after I kind of get it done, but I never get any heat on my hair. So after I get like a roller set or, you know, the bendy rod sets, I use this on my hair so that it'll just leave it shiny and nice and everything. And yeah, so this was my hair supply video, what I use in my hair, everything that helps my hair stay healthy. I hope you guys like this video, and remember, you better cut